What's up guys, Shaq here today with Groomie, bringing you another how-to video. So last time we talked about assembly, today we're getting down to business. I'm gonna show you exactly how to use your BaldiePro head shaver and get the absolute most out of this miraculous machine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open this box again and we're gonna bring out the motor. The base motor where all the power is from, we're gonna make sure it's absolutely fully charged. Make sure it's running good, fantastic. So we're gonna attach the head shaving attachment right here for the nice close shave, the trademark headpiece, and we're gonna attach it just like I showed you in the last video. Boom, right until it clicks. Running fantastic. So before we jump anywhere near that, definitely a major key right here. We are going to apply this natural pre-shave oil. Now what that's gonna do is prevent you from getting those pesky razor bumps. We all know what I'm talking about. Anytime you use a close shave like that, they will ruin your entire day. They're painful, they're itchy, so we're gonna avoid that mess altogether. Like I said, this pre-shave oil gets it done every time. So I'm gonna pop that open. I'm gonna give it about 2 or 3 drops in the hand. That's all you really need. And you're gonna rub it into your hands and then just rub it all over your scalp. Feels absolutely amazing, smells absolutely amazing, and like I said, it really just prevents those razor bumps and gives you a nice natural clean shave. So now that we've applied that, we're gonna get back to it. So we're gonna take our BaldiePro head shaver right here, click that on. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna just push it down just so the blades really wrap around the scalp, decent amount of pressure, and we're just gonna go in a nice circular motion. Now I like to use my trimmer about 2 to 3 times a week. So about every other day I like to get up here and make sure everything's nice and crispy and nice and fresh. What I'm gonna do at the end of this is attach a couple pictures just to show you the dramatic difference in the before and after of using your BaldiePro head shaver. So about 5 minutes later of going across the whole scalp, you get the best shave of your life. Super effortless, seamless, super smooth. And then right after I'm done that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your natural aftershave serum. Again, just makes the shave so much more comfortable, prevents those pesky razor bumps. Again, I'm gonna pop about 2 drops on there, rub it in, and then we're right there. Rub it down the head. Oh, it gives you that nice fresh barbershop feel. Smack it on there, burns a little bit, but you know it's getting the job done. And then there you are. A freshly, beautifully bald shaved head. And that is exactly how you're going to use your BaldiePro head shaver. Super effortless, best shave of your life. I'm gonna attach a couple pictures here at the end of this video, just so you can see how incredible of a difference it actually makes. Stay beautiful, stay bald, and I'll see you next time.